In the world of modern business, efficiency is king. Businesses thrive on streamlined operations, accurate data, and seamless communication between different software systems. For many small businesses and freelancers, FreshBooks is a go-to solution for invoicing, expense tracking, and basic accounting. But what if you need FreshBooks to talk to your other business tools, your CRM, your e-commerce platform, or a custom reporting dashboard? This is where an application programming interface, or API, becomes invaluable. As a program management expert, I can tell you that understanding a software's API capabilities is crucial for planning effective integrations and maximizing your technology investments. So, let's address the burning question. Does FreshBooks have an API? The short answer is a resounding yes. FreshBooks absolutely has a robust and modern API. What exactly is an API and why does it matter? Before we dive into the specifics of the FreshBooks API, let's simplify what an API is. Think of an API as a digital messenger or a waiter in a restaurant. You, your external system, want to order something, e.g., get a list of clients, create an invoice, record an expense from FreshBooks. You tell the waiter, the API, what you want using a specific language and format that the waiter understands. The waiter, API, goes to the kitchen, FreshBooks internal system, gets the information or performs the action, and brings the result back to you. The beauty of an API is that it allows different software applications to communicate and exchange data in a structured way, without needing to understand the complex internal workings of each other. Why does this matter for your business? Automation. APIs allow you to automate repetitive tasks. Imagine new client information from your CRM automatically creating a client record in FreshBooks, or sales from your e-commerce store instantly generating invoices. Data synchronization. Keep data consistent across all your systems. No more manual data entry or discrepancies between your sales figures and your accounting records. Custom workflows. Build tailored solutions that perfectly fit your unique business processes, going beyond the standard features of FreshBooks. Enhanced reporting. Pull financial data from FreshBooks into custom dashboards or reporting tools for deeper insights. Scalability. As your business grows, automated processes via API can handle increased data volumes without a corresponding increase in manual effort. The FreshBooks API, a developer's playground. FreshBooks offers a modern REST API. Without getting too technical, REST is a widely used standard for designing APIs that are efficient, scalable, and relatively easy for developers to work with. Here's what FreshBooks API allows you to do. Client management. Create, read, update, and delete client records. This means you can sync client information from your CRM or sales system directly into FreshBooks. Invoicing. Generate, send, update, and manage invoices. You can automate invoice creation based on project completion, sales, or subscriptions from other systems. You can even check payment statuses. Expense tracking. Add, retrieve, and categorize expenses. Integrate with your expense management software or internal systems to ensure all expenses are captured accurately in FreshBooks. Time tracking. Manage time entries for projects and tasks. This is incredibly useful for service-based businesses that track billable hours in a separate project management tool. Projects. Access and manage project details, including tasks and associated clients. Payments. Link payments received through other gateways to invoices in FreshBooks. Reports. Access certain financial data to feed into custom reporting solutions. Other core accounting data. Interact with other elements like items, taxes, and accounting entries. Key aspects of the FreshBooks API for program managers. As a program manager, you don't need to write the code, but you do need to understand the implications of the API for your projects and strategic initiatives. Here are some key points. Authentication. OAuth 2.0. FreshBooks uses OAuth 2.0 for security. This is a standard, secure way for your application to get permission to access FreshBooks data on behalf of a user without ever needing their FreshBooks password. This means that data exchange is secure and controlled. Webhooks. This is a fantastic feature for real-time updates. Instead of constantly asking FreshBooks for new information, like, has this invoice been paid yet? FreshBooks can push notifications to your system when specific events occur, e.g., Invoice X was just paid, or a new client Y was created. This enables instant automation and reduces unnecessary API calls. Documentation and developer resources. FreshBooks provides comprehensive API documentation. This is critical for developers to understand how to interact with the API, what data they can access, and how to format their requests. Good documentation reduces development time and minimizes errors. They also offer SDKs, software development kits, for popular programming languages like Node.js and PHP, which simplify the integration process. Rate limits. Like most APIs, FreshBooks has rate limits. This means there's a limit to how many requests your application can make to the API within a certain time frame. These limits are in place to ensure fair usage and maintain system performance. As a program manager, you'll need to ensure your development team designs integrations that respect these limits to avoid interruptions. Data consistency and schema evolution. As FreshBooks updates its platform, its API data models might also evolve. It's important for your development team to build integrations with flexibility in mind and to stay informed about API changes to ensure continued compatibility. Error handling. A well-designed integration will include robust error handling. What happens if an API call fails? How will your system recover? This is crucial for maintaining data integrity and ensuring your automated workflows are reliable.